2 points of Tolga.
Tingnan mo doon. Naka-10 nga rin kanina. Yan mo anong score?
45. 45 yung ano.
Namamatay talaga internet mo. Sabi ko, ganun-ganun lang, parang may lakad yung official stable. Pero
Pa-charge mo ng konti, saka mo ipasok yung ano. Charge mo din.
First personal foul number 9, Pangaligan. Shot, 18 seconds. Foul number 14, Mendoza, Spurs. 14 seconds to shoot. Karingan, Ruiz. Sportsmanlike foul on number 11, Gutierrez. Spurs, 3 minutes rest. Timeout, August Hernandez. Guzman. Timeout, Sude. Suitable, shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Final 3. Substitution. Shot clock 14 seconds. Ball number 24, Korean in his first, 40 seconds to shoot. Football is Yoga. Basketball. Ball number 13. The Yana is first. Two balls and strike. Two balls and one. Two balls and one. Out of standard. Single, shot clock, 15 seconds. Come on, Salazar. That last ball, right? For number 5, Salazar. Spurs.
Papawis kami kagabi.
Try daw natin. Saksak ko na. Mukhang naka-charge ka ba na siya, madam, no?
All right, we're back at it again sa Serious Basketball League. Oldies but goodies, 40 up division dito sa Dacon Court. And we are on our second game. It's between OKC Thunder versus etong CBA Hoopers. Is up 63-50 at meron na lang tayong isang quarter remaining dito. Turingan, Borja, DG, Dulce, at saka si number 22, I think, De Guzman din to. And Mendoza from CBA Hoopers will get first possession, first crack at it. A little bit intense defense ang binibigay nitong OKC Thunders. Balik kay DG, but a steal. Number 9. Over the outstretched arms of Sid Turingan. Panaligan really giving it his best right here, best efforts right here. Kanina pa to talagang gumagawa para sa CBA Hoopers, and that was a big fish. Turingan, eto naman, Panaligan dropping it back. Panaligan, what a passing on the fast break. Unfortunately, they're unable to make it. At eto na DG to Borja. Borja shoots it. Borja sobra. Still unable to crack that lead. 65-50 here. 9 minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Cassie shoots it. Makes it. Extending the lead to 17 here. 67-50. 8 minutes and 45 ticks to go. Dulce has possession. What are you gonna do? Driving the lane. Back to Turingan. De Guzman. Missing that tayo with a tap. On the break ngayon. Cassie will get it. Kontra kay Borja. Back. 23 with the up fake. Pass to Panaligan. What the finish? Textbook finish on how you drawn a fast break right there for CBA Hoopers. 19-point lead, 69-50, 8 minutes and 10 seconds to Turingan. Turn around jumper, missing that one. Rebound goes to Panaligan. Panaligan threading. It's a 2-on-1. Panaligan. It's a kickball violation. Sermonit will come in. De Guzman goes out. 7:56, 69-50. Tayo driving mid-range over the outstretched arms of Turingan. 23 will save it to himself. Back to 14. To Cassie, mid-range. This time that's a miss, but the old boy by Tayo to 14 with the midi. Bothered clearly by Turingan. But eto na, do they have anything more left in the tank? OKC Thunders talking about here. 69-50 with 7:23 to go. Balik kay DG ang bola to Turingan. Shoots it. Overshoots it at that. Sid Turingan unable to make that basket and trim the lead, which is currently at 19 at the moment. Tayo ngayon, may tangan ng bola. Driving the lane. Intercepted by Dulce. They have 8 seconds on the shot clock to shoot it. Tayo checking his options right here. 23. Faking. 23. Shoots it. Unable to make that one. At balik dito sa OKC Thunders ang bola. And folks, I'd like to invite y'all to still watch, to stand by and watch out for. We still have a third offering here as Sermonit knocks down a 3-pointer, trimming the lead to 16. Panaligan bothered by Turingan, and Turingan ultimately gets the possession to Borja. Borja, power move! Grown man strength, Hakeem Borja finishes it. It's a 5-0 run from OKC Thunder. Tayo ngayon. Pass back to 14, missing that one. 14 gets back the rebound, unable to handle it but tracks it down. Sermonit actually gets back the possession, steals it to DG. DG, come fly with DG. 7-0 run for OKC Thunder, trimming the lead to 12 points, 69-57 with 5 minutes and 58 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. This is becoming a little bit more exciting, folks. So please hang on. This might come down the wire. Who knows? But eto na. Ang OKC Thunder getting back their momentum. So will CBA Hoopers have enough left in the tank para naman ma-stop nila itong run and keep this lead and eventually get the victory? Pero tingin ko, ang aking brothers Hakim Bora and Sid Turingan hindi papayag basta-basta to relinquish this game sa CBA Hoopers. But back to the ball game right here. Again, 5 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. 69-57 sa ating talaan. As we have Berzosa right here. To Subiaga, overshoots it. DG running. DG on the break. DG loses it. Number 18 gets back the possession, checking his options with the mid-range. Gets the shooter bounce in. Borja will bring back the possession, 71-57. Borja. There's a foul. .5:27 to go. Dulce driving. Dulce, pass back, Borja, the bang, and the bucket. Hakim Bora gets the bucket there, gets the bucket yun, may kasama pang foul, and troops to the free throw line. 12 na lamang ang kalamangan. He has a chance to bring it down to 11. Hakim Bora will unfortunately miss that free throw. The top by Turingan goes to the out of bounds. 5:17, 71-59. And ito na, tayo with the possession to Berzosa. Berzosa driving the lane, dropping it, passing it back. Tayo for 3, off to the left. 96 with the board. Sermonit tracks it down. Here comes the OKC Thunders. Sermonit stop and pop. Off to the left, but it's steal, almost a steal by Dulce. Good effort right there, but 71-59 seal ang ating talaan with 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Ortega ngayon will dribble down the basketball to Berzosa. A pass down low, steal by Bora. Bora being bothered by the defense of CBA Hoopers. Balik kay Bora ngayon. Bora on the loose. Bora all the way, coast to coast, gets the basket. May kasama pang foul. Hakim Bora, may tapao all the way to the basket. Trying to put the team on his back is Hakim Bora. 61-71. The question is, will he be able to make this free throw? Borja huffing and puffing right here. Unable to make that, but this is just a 10-point lead, folks. 4 minutes and 27 ticks to go. Panaligan to Tagulabong. Siya may tangan ng bola, back to Panaligan this star. Panaligan off the glass. No defense right there. Basically just getting the basket right there, all free. 73-61 Dulce with the possession. Bora huffing and puffing down low right there, giving the advantage to the defense as a 4-on-5. Dulce, back pass, Sermonit driving. Sermonit gets the basket, and another foul right there. The substitution, Salazar comes in for Bora. Sermonit gets the basket right there, and he will troop to the line for the charity for the bonus free throw. 73-63, 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. And Sermonit Misses that, and that could come back and haunt them. It's a 0-3, 0 out of 3 for their last 3 free throws. Could have been just a 9-point or a 7-point lead at that. But balik dito ngayon ang bola sa CBA Hoopers. What are they gonna do? Shot clock winding down. Panaligan misses. Turingan gets back the rebound. Dulce with the possession here. Back to Sermonit. Up fake. Back 96. One-hander. Gets it. Gets it to go. Trimming the lead down to 8, 73-65. 3 minutes and 10 seconds to go as Bersosa trying to shake down Dulce. Bersosa with the possession. The double team. Tayo unable to take advantage of that was OKC Thunders. Tayo up faking. Drop Bersosa. One-hander missing. Turingan with the possession. Turingan will bring it down. Forward pass. Sobra yun! And an early timeout called by CBA Hoopers trying to stop the run right here being made by the OKC Thunders. This could come back and haunt them because 2 minutes and 49 more minutes to go. And the CBA Hoopers already out of timeouts, and timeouts are really something that you could use down the line, down the wire. So let's see if they can, this will propel them at ito'y makakatulong ba sa kanila para ma-keep yung lead na to, or would this be something that would come back and haunt them. Zubiaga ngayon, and off the timeout, OKC Thunders comes out with a press defense as Bersosa crosses. Bersosa drives, drops pass, Salazar with a steal. Salazar on the breaks, 3-on-1. Aldea, Salazar knocks it down. 6 na lamang mga kaibigan ang lamang ng CBA Hoopers. Panaligan driving the lane, drop Bersosa, one-hander, bowing the way. Bersosa knocks it down naman, bring it the lead back to 8. 2 minutes and 12 seconds to go. Dulce driving, Dulce crossing, swings to De Guzman for 3, overshoots it. Tagolabong with the rebound, but his forward pass intercepted by Dulce. Dulce trying to thread the defense right here. Dulce driving, sayang yon. He passes the shot, sayang naman. Could have been, but the call on the floor, is 2 free throws. Sabi ni ref, 2 free throws daw yon for Dulce. So, a big chance right here for Dulce to...
Nagsabi po kami kanina, isa na lang po timeout yun.
Dulce knocks down the first.
May timeout na po, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, tas 2 minutes po. Sunod po, sir.
Dulce knocks it down, 2 for 2, 75-69, 1 minute and 45. Eto na, Subiaga, drop down, Avellana! Wow, that's a clutch basket from Avellana, 77-69. 8-point lead once more. Hindi makabasag sa 6-point lead ang OKC Thunder. De Guzman to Bora, drop down, De Guzman with a dipsy too, layup, breaks the lead down to 6. As ito, Panaligan to Subiaga, no call by the refs, letting them play, but Subiaga with the follow-up. 79-71, forward pass by DG, intercepted by Avellana. 1 minute and 15 seconds, 79-71. Eto na. Turingan comes in for De Guzman. Wow. 1 minute and 15. 8-point lead Salazar faking it. Salazar driving, sidestepping, but gets the foul. Foul is on number 6. That's Subiaga. And that gets them in the penalty. And one thing to note right here is that OKC Thunder, though down by 8 points, they still don't have any fouls or team fouls as of the moment, which would come in handy later on if they want to do a foul game. But 79-71 still though, second try for Salazar. Misses it. Who's got the ball? It's CBA ball. 109, 0 out of 2. And just to note, OKC Thunders 0 out of 5 on free throws, mga kaibigan. And that could really come back and haunt them. Kung na-shoot nila yon, 3-point lead na lang. But 106 to go. Ang dami namang milagro ang nangyayari. So this we could really still see a miracle right here. The defense, second team foul right here for Dulce, for OKC Thunder, with exactly 1 minute remaining. OKC Thunder coming to their senses right now, doing the foul game. Extending a little pressure. No foul called. And it's steal by Dulce to Gutierrez on the break. To Borja. That was a tight pass and a turnover as Bersosa takes it easy to Tagulabong. Back to Panaligan right here. Back to Tagulabong. Doing four corners right here is CBA Hoopers. Back to Tagulabong. This might just be it right here. Bersosa. No more fouls given. Dulce gets the foul. Next foul of OKC Thunder will put them in the penalty. With 29 ticks to go, this might just be it. Panaligan to Subiaga. Again on the four corners. Javellana. Drop to Tagulabong. Trying to put the nail on the coffin right there. But once again, getting the offensive rebound is CBA Hoopers. Then this could be the nail on the coffin for OKC Thunders with 7:6 to go. That is a 24-second shot clock violation right here. But ultimately, that's the end of the ball game. CBA Hoopers able to have still enough left on the tank para naman ma-stop ang amazing run done by the OKC Thunders. CBA Hoopers coming back, coming out with the victory right here, 79-71. CAS Basketball League, Oldies but Goodies Division, 40 up. Next time, we will be interviewing our best player of the ball. At ako ang maghatid ng lahat ng kwento at lahat ng play-by-play action dito sa Zeus Basketball League Oldies but Goodies Edition. Maraming salamat po. See you in a bit.
Ganito ni Boss Mark.